I live, breathe, and dream art, definitely. That kind of drives me. It makes me happy, but I'm a little crazy too. So I'm a painter, and I paint in pastel, oil, watercolor, and acrylic. I paint what inspires me, what I find beautiful, what I'm grateful for. If I continue to do that, I know that my art will find a home. Someone will connect with it. And that is even more satisfying because it is totally from my heart and soul. Creating is like returning God's love in a way. As an artist, observation is most of creating art. So I'm out there looking at things, thinking about things, and how would I render that in pastel or oil paint? What I create kind of stirs something up inside me, brings me to a happy place. It's like therapy. I get lost in it. The painting is done when I can't think of anything that will make it better than what it is. To be able to create things that are beautiful, this gift that I have, I'm incredibly grateful for what I have and what I'm able to do. It's like the best feeling in the world. I feel like I've got a purpose. I'm Vickie Sekits, and I'm a fine artist.